Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, this is the step 7 wherein we are migrating SQL databases to Azure. In this video, we will create Azure database migration service. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. This is where we left. So the deployment is still in progress. So I'll do login here again. All right, now click on create a resource. And I will look for database migration service. Hit create. Azure database migration service. I've clicked on create. Don't know what happened. We'll see. Let me pause it. Okay, we are at this screen now. Okay, resource group. I'm going to place everything in the same resource group. My service name would be WWI-TMS. I'm going to place it in West US 2. Service mode, I'm going to select Azure. Let me see what this. The standard tier supports both offline and online migration. I can go with this. I click on networking. I'm going to go with my network in that region. I have a VPN gateway. So I have my hands-on lab, and I'm not going to add here review, create, and create. This is how it will create my migration service. Okay. It also takes 15 minutes to deploy the Azure database migration service. So I can stop this video here, and in the next video we will provision a web app, and I will create an Azure blob storage account. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video and come back again. The deployment is in progress.